Hello everyone! Welcome to Layton Ferry Terminal.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
So welcome back to my channel, guys. We are heading to Center Island. For sure you guys asked how long to get there by ferry. So the average waiting time between ferries ranges half an hour sailing toward the island. You'll get a great view of Toronto's full skyline. The average trip time takes 15 minutes in one direction, giving you ample time to enjoy the magic view of the lake. The ferry to Toronto Island connects to the waterfront with all the fun rides and beaches in the summertime Oasis has to offer. So how to get there? If you're taking the subway to Union Station, the best way to get here is to hop on either the 510 Spadina streetcar or 501 Harbourfront streetcar to the Queensway stop. Just 1 minute walk to the south of the station exit. You'll see the 3-line entrance to the terminal. So Layton Ferry Terminal is located at 9 Queensway West, right next to the Westin Harbour Castle Hotel. So another transportation to get here at the island is the water taxi, and just a little bit difference when it comes to fare compared to ferry. So this is the majestic view of the downtown Toronto. If you guys living in the downtown Toronto, and if you want to see the whole view, just hop onto the ferry or the water taxi and enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful. It is a worth a one-time visit. The ferry ride was event-free and short. Entry and exit from the island was well managed by the coordinators. So there is ample sitting areas around to take a break from the walking around. Quality of food available. Great parks and lawns for the fantastic time with the family and friends. However, nothing else is there much to do because it's just reopening of stage 3. So had not been here in years and years, I guess, because of the flood followed by the COVID. Not much was maintained, unfortunately. But if you guys enjoy the nature, this is a great place for you for a walk. So the water surroundings this place is calm and beautiful. It is worth the trip if you are in the city of Toronto, guys. It's inexpensive to travel by ferry to just unwind yourself. Just don't forget to wear a mask inside the ferry. Remember, it still had virus around. Be careful out there. So this island is huge, but you can bring a bike to get around. If you don't have your own, then there is a bike rental store on the island that offers bikes for single riders, double riders, and family riders. This island has an amusement park for kids called Centreville, so that the kids can enjoy the fun rides, different kinds of fun rides in here, guys, for family. So I am personally a fan of this place, guys. It's a nice oasis not far from the hustle and bustle of the main city in the downtown area. I think your enjoyment of the island depends heavily on how you intend to use it, on your expectations going to it. It's serene, it's relaxing. There's plenty of areas where you can just take some scenery and relax. In a city where it is becoming a genuine rarity, that's a big asset, and the island has it. There are some restaurants and boat clubs open to the public, but they are farther in between and don't get it in the way of the natural beauty of the area. So there's also the residential neighborhood, which there is nothing else like in the city. So the ferry costs are still low and is quite family friendly. So restaurants are open to the public that you can eat and drink and relax. This is a great place to visit, guys, and escape the city for a while. We spent more of the day here. After a short ferry ride, we walk around the whole island following the trails, taking in the wonderful views of Toronto and enjoying the ambience of the island. You can hire bikes if you want, if you wish there are enough places for you to relax and eat. Absolutely a recommendation, guys. Take your time, minimum 1 day of your visit to enter the ferry and enjoy this beautiful place. It is a great place to relax from the stress of this huge city. You have beaches, parks, an amusement park, a water playground, and a great nature. Awesome. So, overall, I had fun myself. It is worth the trip if you are in the city. So these are the water taxi that you can go back and forth to the island, but these are a little bit more expensive than compared to the ferry fare. But it depends on you guys if you like to ride in this water taxi and more fun. So we're heading back to the terminal, guys. Exploring is finally done for me. I finally made it to come over, and I feel so relaxed and enjoy myself. I had so much fun, guys, actually. So here's the majestic view of the downtown Toronto again, guys. Extremely beautiful. It is just like the whole city is floating by the water. It's beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.
When